Yoshi is a good boy, yes he is. Yoshi is a good boy, yes he is. Yoshi likes to sing and dance. Yoshi likes to sing and dance. You a good boy? Do you not like this near your cage? Good boy. Alright. What? What, you don't like electronics or something? Alright, fine. What are you doing? Why are you being weird? No, he's being weird.